All right, everybody, so I just got these new headlights in the mail. They're LED lights. Now, I don't know much about these, but I read that they have good reviews on Amazon, and I forgot the price. All I know is that they're under $100. So I'm gonna put it on my 1991 Honda Accord and see how that goes. And there's my Accord with the subway on top. Alright, so this is how they come packaged right here. And this is just plug and play. It has the wire coming out of the back and it fits perfectly into the outlet. So the way that you change them on these Honda Accords is you twist the outer. It has like an outer thing that holds it like a case, and it doesn't come off, so you just got to twist it the right way, and then it leaves enough space for the bolt to come out, and then you're good. And then it comes with these gloves, I guess, is so you don't touch the light bulb itself. All right, let's see how it works. This is my stock headlight. This is my new LED one. I mean, you can clearly tell the difference. I think the LEDs are going to be a lot brighter. That's beautiful. All right, so there it goes, guys. I'm going to change the other one on the passenger side, and when it comes to nighttime, I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so there you go, guys. I changed the headlights. It was pretty easy. It was plug and play. No splicing any kind of wires. Not doing any of that kind of difficult thing. It was just twist the case, the holding for the bulb, and the stock headlight. Then you'll see the little prongs. They're available to pull out for the lights. There's like these little 3 notches on the sides of the light bulb. So then took the old light bulb out, make sure I save them just in case something goes out. And then I just plugged it in, put the bulb right in with the 3 prongs to fit, just like the old one. And I mean, they were on in a matter of a minute after I turned them on. Not a minute, but you know, after I installed them, I turned them on. They went on perfectly fine. So what else? I'm able to see a lot better now. I'm able to see a lot better at night. Cars will be able to see me a lot better since it's kind of a small car. And yeah, it was a pretty good investment. It was $35 on Amazon. Got there in about 2 days to my house. They seem to work great. I can even see them in the daylight on my car, like lit on the daylight. They're kind of bluish. You could get them a lot whiter than that, or you can get them yellow. I mean, that's up to you how you like your car to look. But I think that the blue ones do a pretty good job at you know, letting me see on the road and everything. Sorry guys, it's a phone call.
Y por ahora hasta el próximo mes que va a haber otro disponible, pero por ahora ese es el único. Sí, puedes pasar hoy. Hoy estamos abiertos hasta las 5.
Yeah, they're well worth it. You should probably get some if you have an old car with all the light bulbs. Definitely looks nice. It makes it look modern. Other cars can definitely see me when I'm out there on the road. Even if it's like a big truck or something like that, you can see my little car. Anyways, the other thing that I did here, because I live in Orlando and it gets really hot, the sun's just too intense, is I tinted my windows. I got them tinted yesterday by some mobile tinting guy. I don't know his name, so I won't put his business name out here, but he did a good job, and my car is definitely a lot cooler when I get inside of it. Even though my AC doesn't work right now, just with tinted windows, I can drive with my windows up and not have a problem. So the next video that I'm most likely going to do is a walkthrough around the car. Not a walkthrough, a walk around the car to show you how dark it looks. Video from inside to see how outside looks, the visibility, and a little detail on the percentages of tint that were used in each window, so you guys can have an idea in case you guys are planning on tinting your windows for the summer, or you know, just to make it look nice. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be back with some more videos.